We've handpicked these 5 push reel mowers after going through hundreds of real-world user reviews, field tests, and performance insights. Our goal wasn't just to find the most popular ones, it was to match each mower with the type of user it's best suited for. Whether you're maintaining a small backyard, dealing with thicker southern grasses, or just looking for something quiet and low maintenance, each mower on this list stands out for a specific reason. We understand that what works for one lawn may not work for another, so this list is built with different needs in mind. From affordability and ease of use to cutting power and build quality. At number 5, the Scott's 20-inch classic reel mower is all about covering more ground with less passes. When I tested this on a 4,000 square foot flat backyard, the wide 20-inch cutting deck made mowing significantly faster compared to smaller reel mowers. It's built with a 5-blade system and large dual wheels that give it good stability on level terrain, but it does demand a consistent mowing schedule. It's not built to plow through overgrown grass or thick weeds. It bogs down if you've let things go for a few weeks, but for those with regular mowing habits and cool season grasses like fescue, bluegrass, or rye, this model delivers clean, consistent cuts without the need for fuel or charging. The side height adjustments are easy to use and range from 1 to 3 inches. What sets it apart is its combination of width and simplicity. It feels like a traditional mower in terms of posture and handling. If you have a larger yard, mow weekly, and want a manual reel mower that saves time per session, this is a practical and efficient pick. At number 4, the Earthwise 16-inch 7-blade push reel mower is a precision tool made for specialty lawns. This mower really showed its strengths when I tested it on a thick Bermuda lawn, the kind of grass that traditional 4-blade mowers tend to rip rather than cut. The 7-blade reel gave a much finer, cleaner cut and didn't tear the grass tips. That's crucial for southern warm season grasses like zoysia, Bermuda, and St. Augustine. Augustine, which need a clean slice to avoid browning. Because it has more blades, it does take more effort to push, especially if the lawn is even slightly overgrown. It's not for anyone looking for the easiest mower to handle, but for lawn perfectionists or people committed to maintaining a golf green aesthetic, this delivers. The height settings are less convenient than others. You need a wrench to adjust them. So it's best for people who set their preferred height and stick with it. If your focus is quality of cut and you're willing to trade off a bit of effort for better lawn health, Earthwise is the pick. At number 3, the American Lawnmower Company is the definition of practical, lightweight, and beginner-friendly. At just around £20, it's the easiest to push by far, especially for seniors, teens, or anyone looking to get into eco-friendly mowing without breaking a sweat. When I tested it on a smaller urban lawn with thinner grass like rye and fine fescue, it glided effortlessly and handled tight turns well, which is ideal for yards with obstacles or flower beds. However, it's not designed to power through dense, high, or weedy patches. This is a mower made for people who mow regularly, once a week or more, and want a light, straightforward tool with almost no maintenance. It has a 14-inch cutting width, so while it takes more passes, it offers great maneuverability. The 4-blade reel is surprisingly sharp, but you'll want to avoid letting your lawn get too thick or tall. If you live in a townhouse, have a courtyard-sized lawn, or just want something compact and effective, the 1204-14 is hands down the easiest to start with. At number 2, the Great States 5-blade reel mower is the most balanced, all-purpose option. I've used this mower across different conditions and front yards, slightly uneven side yards, and medium thickness grass and floor. And what really impressed me was its consistency. It feels sturdier than other lightweight reel mowers, but still manageable at around 27 pounds. The 16-inch width is wide enough to be efficient without sacrificing control. Its 5-blade system works well on average lawns that are maintained weekly, but it's also slightly more forgiving on overgrown patches than 4-blade models. The large back wheels offer stability and help handle small bumps and dips better than expected. The height adjustment is tool-free and ranges from 0.5 to 2.5 inches, making it flexible for those who want a tighter or higher cut. What makes this model stand out is its simplicity and reliability. And it's not flashy, but it always gets the job done. It's ideal for someone who wants a solid, dependable push mower without getting too technical or specialized. If you've got an average-sized yard and you're looking for something low maintenance with long-term durability, this is the one to consider. At number 1, the Fiskars StaySharp Max Reel Mower completely redefines what you can expect from a push mower. This model was noticeably different the second I rolled it onto a thick St. Augustine lawn. Despite weighing over 50 pounds, the advanced inertia drive system and StaySharp blades made it feel lighter than it looks. In practice, this meant I could push it through thicker patches with less resistance compared to lighter mowers that would just jam. The cutting system doesn't rely on blade-to-blade contact, which reduces friction and means you won't need to sharpen it nearly as often. It also makes less noise and feels smoother to operate. The VersaCut system offers an unusually wide height range from 1 to 4 inches, and the one-touch lever made adjustments easy. What I really appreciated was the reversible chute. Being able to control where the clippings go, either forward or back, saved me cleanup time around sidewalks and patios. This mower is ideal for someone with a large yard, tougher grass varieties, or simply someone who wants the best manual mower experience available. Yes, it's the most expensive, but the engineering and comfort features justify it for serious homeowners who want clean results with less effort and long-term blade durability. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, this helped you narrow down the best push reel mower for your specific needs. Whether you're after something lightweight for a small yard or a tougher model for thicker grass, there's an option here that gets the job done without gas or noise. If you found this useful, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe, and let us know which one you'd pick for your own lawn.